No hay que hablar, ya sentimos la conexión.
Hi everybody, this is Beauty with Cindy. Please stay tuned and subscribe underneath.
Ya que nadie me echa porras, pues luego yo me echo porras. When you work so hard on that eyebrow, you look so cute. Girl. Whose nails are those? My niece was probably like, take the damn mascara, girl. And I was just like, getting with it, feeling myself,
Big whoops! Got a little bit too excited there. I love this hair as it can happen to anybody. So I found out that my foundation was a little bit too oily, so I just grabbed my powder brush and I kind of just went over all my face and the oil will just go away. That did not come out correctly. My camera girl was gone.
Of course I wasn't there.
Ella dice que baila sola, habla de que no la controlan. Conmigo ella todo eso ignora, bailándose.
YouTube video, and I hope y'all really like it. Stay tuned. And okay, take 500 if the news true. Hi.
And lost my train of thought.
Why is this so hard? Hi everybody. Hope y'all like this video and subscribe on the bottom. And I just want to let y'all know that I had recorded this video about 1,000 times and Poncha would not let me record it without making a noise. So that's why I had my breakdown. Who's a bird? Who has a bird knows my struggle. I got a parrot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed my video and please stay tuned. Does anybody see my eye twitching? Because it's twitching.